In anticipation of the upcoming World Communications Day, scheduled for Sunday, May 12, 2024, the Catholic Church in Uganda is preparing for a celebration that will explore the theme Artificial Intelligence and the Wisdom of the Heart towards a fully human communication, hosted by the province of Kampala. This year's event promises to delve into intersection of faith and modern communication technologies. The festivities will be centered around the profound impact of digital innovation on spreading the gospel message while upholding core values of compassion, empathy, and human connection. Under the guidance of the Archbishop of Kampala, His Grace Paul Somogirire, this day will serve as a beacon of encouragement and solidarity. His Holiness Pope Francis's message, delivered through the Kampala Archbishop Paul Somogirire, highlights the importance of effective and ethical communication in advancing the Church's mission.
Artificial intelligence could help and assist humanity in various fields. However, we should guard against the risk of becoming rich in technology and poor in humanity, eroding human dignity and autonomy. In order to follow Christ, we are guided and propelled by love of God and neighbor, which artificial intelligence does not possess.
His Holiness Pope Francis's message for World Communication Day will be a guiding light, urging the Church to navigate the complexities of the digital age with wisdom and grace. The celebration will serve as a call to action for the Church to embrace digital evangelization authentically and purposefully.
So this symposium is meant, therefore, to enlighten the public and the people of God as we approach the World Day of Communications next Sunday on the mind of the Church on artificial intelligence and love of God, love of humanity, relations and connections as social beings created in the image of God.
The festivities will be centered around honoring those dedicated Catholic communicators whose impact is profound. This event will affirm the Church's unwavering support for its communicators and underscore the importance of their work in fostering dialogue, understanding, and unity among believers and beyond.
And it is something that the Catholic Church decided that at least once a year, there should be a day dedicated to honoring people who work in the media. So that's why the Church started that day. It's a way of appreciating the role of the media in our society. So the Church said that, no, let us find a day in a year when we can honor people who work in communication. So it's basically to recognize the good things that the media people are doing, but also a day when we can reflect on the importance of media in our society.
This day serves as a reminder of the Church's commitment to authentic and purposeful digital evangelization, honoring the impactful work of the Catholic communicators in fostering dialogue, understanding, and unity. Join us on UCTV on Sunday, May the 12th, 2024.
For Kampala Archdiocese, the celebrations will be at Our Lady of Good Counsel in Gayaza. So they chose Gayaza Parish to host for Kampala Archdiocese. Archbishop of Kampala is supposed to be there, and I'll also be there, and I hope UCT will also be there.